Welcome to Mokars Tech Show, where Africa meets innovation. My name is Mubarak. I'm your host. Today, the topic of today we are going to discuss: can a smartphone replace a PC? Well, this is a question that everybody have been asking me. One of my friends sometimes calls me to ask me, "Hi, Mr. Mubarak, we know you are the expert. Can a smartphone or a phone replace a PC?" Well, this is the truth. This is something that I've been asking so many people. Today, let's all go and find the truth. Whether can a smartphone really replace a PC? It's a very dicey issue, but let's look at this. Imagine carrying your entire computer in your pocket. No laptop, no desktop, just your smartphone alone. But can a smartphone truly replace a PC? Today on Mokars Tech Show, let's find out whether a smartphone can really replace a PC. It's a dicey question. Let's find out. Modern smartphones are incredible powerful. Today, smartphone can perform tasks that are used to require a computer. Example are web browsers, browsing web, video calls, email, social media, watching online content, online learning, watching videos, mobile banking, phone editing, and video editing. Some phone can be able to do all this thing that I talk about. In many cases, smartphones are now more powerful than older computers. Yes, some smartphones nowadays are very, very powerful. They are stronger, they can do a lot of work more than the older computers that we know. Learning online, you can use some smartphones are very powerful that you can use them to learn online, like graphic design. You can use to learn graphic design tutorials. You can use it to use for an AI. You can use it to type something to give an AI a prompt, and the AI will respond. You can use the smartphone to learn digital skills direct from your computer. All these features can be done with using the smartphone. You can use smartphone of today to create a content. Many YouTubers, TikTokers, content creators, and influencers create content entirely on smartphone. Wow, that is very powerful. That tells you smartphone of today are very, very powerful. They are very, very powerful. Some also use smartphone to run their business. You can use your smartphone for social media, for communicating with your customers, even sell products online using a smartphone. Wow, that is very, very powerful, isn't it? It is. That tells you smartphone of today are very, very powerful. They can do so many things more than the olden days computer. That is very, very powerful. Some also use smartphone to do remote work. Remote work. Although smartphones are very powerful, computer still have the advantage. Wow, smartphones are very powerful. You can use smartphone to do so many things, but computer still has the advantage. Why does the computer still has that advantage? Let's look at this. A bigger screen. A large screen makes work easier and more comfortable. Yes, when the screen is big, you can be able to see so many contents very, very easily. You can be able to navigate through where the interface of the computer, and so that you can be able to see the features. But when the screen is smaller, there are some features that can escape you. Why is the computer still has an advantage? Let's look at the second point, which is what multitasking. PC allow you to run multiple applications efficiently at the same time. PC can allow you to do multitasking. You can open 10 tasks at the same time and you'll be working on the same PC. So when you are working on PC instead of the phone, PC give you more multitasking ability. You can do 5 work at the same time on PC, but on phone you have to stay on one task. When you finish, then you switch to the other task. So that is why computer has an advantage over phone. Professional software. There are some software that you can't install it on PC on phone. Because there are some software when you install it on phone, the phone will fry. The CPU cannot what contain such kind of pressure. But with PC, there are some software that you can install. Example are programming tools. We have Visual Studio Code. You can't install VS Code on what? On phone. It won't go through. Even though there are some coding software that are compatible with what? With phone. Some even code on phone, but you won't be comfortable. There are so many things that you can click by using when you're using a computer, how you are going to be flexible using the PC. When you are coding, you can't use phone to do that. So, like programming tools, video editing softwares, there are some editing software that you can't install on phone. You can only install it on PC. Because PC will give you the advantage, the bigger screen, the features, the UI, the user interface. You see everything clearly. But on phone, the screen, the features will be what? Compressed. And there are certain features you can't see on phone. 3D design and software, these softwares cannot go on phone. There are smartphone that has some, but still the PC has an advantage. Engineering application, all this application has to be installed on what? PC. Yes, you can't install these softwares on phones. Even though there are some phones that has this kind of software, but the PC has advantage. Yes. Some professional software still work best on computer. As I mentioned earlier, there are so many professional software. You can't do typing. You can't learn typing on phone. Maybe Beacon teaching typing class software, you can't install it on phone unless on PC. So that's why the PC has an advantage over phone. Even though phones are very powerful now, but the PC has an advantage. Storage and file management is also an essential. Managing large file is easier on computer than on phone. Companies like Samsung and others have developed systems that allow smartphones to act like computers. Yes, we have File Explorer where you can be able to create a folder, move a file into a folder. There are some folders that are very powerful. You can navigate. There are some folders that has split screen. Yeah, like a foldable screen that you can move files around like a PC. Yes, some PC are very powerful. Some phones are very powerful. There's no doubt about that. Example are Samsung DeX. Example of some of these phones are Samsung DeX, Motorola Ready, Huawei desktop mode. Connecting a monitor, keyboard, and a mouse on your computer can provide a desktop-like experience. Yes, there are some phones that have this feature that when you connect your mouse and keyboard to them, they behave like they are computers. They behave like they are computers, yes. Millions of young Africans already own smartphones. With the right skill and apps, many people can begin their digital journey using only smartphone. My answer is both yes and no. For yes, students, content creators, freelancers, entrepreneurs, and everyday users. For no, professional programmers, engineers, advanced video editors, 3D designers, and heavy multitasking. Smartphone can replace a PC for many people, but not for every task. Technology is evolving rapidly. The smartphone of tomorrow may become the primary computer for millions of people around the world. We are moving toward a future where powerful computer fits into our pocket. A smartphone may not completely replace a PC today, but it is closer than ever before. The most important thing is not device you have. The most important thing is what you learn and what you create with it. What do you think? What do you think? Can a smartphone replace a PC for your daily work? Comment below and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to Mokars Tech Show, where Africa meets innovation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Your comments are very important. Yes, I will review them so that we can share ideas. We can communicate so that you tell me, you let me know where I can improve the video, where my flaws are, so that I can make the video very better for you. Don't forget to comment and like and subscribe. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. This is a controversial topic. I hope you learned something. Thank you very much. I will try and see whether I can find some tutorial to add up. But if I didn't get any tutorial, there you have it. Still, a smartphone cannot overwhelm what a PC, cannot replace a PC. PC is far ahead, stronger than the smartphone. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Mubarak. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace out.